Now, the practical implementation faces three major legal hurdles. First, there's the Administrative Procedure Act, which requires agencies to follow specific processes for any major changes to government. You can't just post "new government, who this" on Twitter and then call it a day. Second, there's a Civil Service Reform Act, which protects federal employees from political retaliation. Schedule F essentially tries to drive a truck right through all of these protections. Third, there's a small matter of 50 years of Supreme Court precedent on administrative law. So changing this would generate more litigation than a slip and fall at a plaintiff lawyers convention. If Project 2025 were to be implemented, the legal challenges would likely be immediate and overwhelming. There would be a laundry list of potential lawsuits. First, there would be constitutional challenges, First Amendment issues, due process claims potentially from the affected federal employees, separation of power arguments and claims. The list goes on and on and on. There aren't just legal challenges. The broader implications are also staggering if Project 2025 was implemented. So this isn't just about government reorganization. It's about fundamentally changing how federal power operates in American life. The economic impact alone would make the 2008 financial crisis look like a bounced check. We are talking about potentially disrupting federal contracts, regulatory frameworks, international trade agreements, environmental protocols, and that's all before we get to the social implications, which would affect everything from civil rights enforcement to whether you can even watch certain content on streaming platforms. The changes would be massive. In essence, Project 2025 isn't just a transition plan. It's an attempt to fundamentally reshape American governance in a way that would make the founding fathers need a strong drink. Now, whether this is brilliant reform or constitutional crisis depends on your perspective. But there's one thing that's certain: if implemented, Project 2025 would represent the most dramatic transformation of federal power since the New Deal.